How to create table of contents in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Google Docs first. Okay guys, so I have opened my Google Docs. So I have some content here and heading. So if I want to apply the table of content on this all heading, so I can apply on Google Docs. So first we need the blank page. Generally we apply the table of content in initially or after cover page. So I need in my case I need the one blank page. So I just hit the top of the that top on the top on this that page, and now we need to hit the control plus enter. Then one page will be come up. Okay, so here we are going to create the table of content for this all heading. Okay, so just select the first the blank page. Now we need to go in insert, and we need to go in table of contents, and here we have to select the number of content table for plain text. Okay, so here, okay, I need to select again. Okay, so this is showing nothing because we did not select or did not tell to Google Doc that our heading. So first we need to select heading. So in my case my heading is first heading is that this one. So I just select, I need to just select all this heading, and now we need to go in format. Now go to paragraph styles and select for heading 1, or we can also use the shortcut key, which is control plus alt plus 1. Okay, same as we have to select the format heading 2. Okay, if you want to make the same style for all heading, then you have to select the your preferred styles like this. Now go to the format, go to the preferred styles, and we need to apply on heading 2. Then select the heading 2 and update the heading to match. Okay, then it will be match. Same as you have to select every heading like this. Okay, styles also you have to select. Okay, so now all is done, but come up here, you can see there is nothing update now. For that we need to refresh. Just select this one and refresh this by clicking on this refresh icon, and you can see has been refreshed. We have the content table here with title, and we have also page number here. So my all heading on same page, which is page number 2. So it is also showing the page number 2, and from here you can manage more setting like this. Okay, you can change the format from here. You can also show the page number. You can also show table reader like this. Okay, heading level also you can select like heading 2, heading 1, or you can just unselect all. Okay, okay, so now this is showing same as heading 1. Okay, you can also select like this. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, this is additional setting you can make. You can change the format. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.